and Gray has issued a flood warning for the Presumpscot River at Westbrook from this afternoon until late tonight. At 10 a.m. Saturday, the stage was 13.1 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Flood stage is 15.0 feet. Forecast to rise above flood stage by this afternoon and continue to rise to near 16.1 feet by this evening. The river will fall below flood stage by tonight. Impact at 15.0 feet. Minor land flooding. Here is the latest marine forecast for the following Casco Bay.